thank you for coming. My name is Justine Shelton, and I'm a certified Viniyoga therapist. And today's discussion is going to be about profile of a gentle yoga student. What does that mean? Is gentle yoga only people who can only do gentle yoga? Is it all people over 95? And I want to open with a little bit of a discussion about that and talk a little bit about I used to, when I very first started teaching, I used to teach vinyasa flow. That didn't last long because I started studying with Gary Kraftsow fairly early on in my teaching career. So I moved away from vinyasa more into therapeutic and gentle. However, gentle yoga encompasses a lot these days. Gentle yoga can be an athlete who's injured and trying to rehab to come back. It could be an athlete who's at its top performance but uses gentle yoga for preventing injuries. It can be anyone from 20 to 95, probably even older. I think Sherry's had older students than that. I think my oldest was 94. So it's a wide range. It's not like we can put anyone like in a little box, oh, they go to gentle yoga. And there's also a little bit of, I'm going to say it, prejudice about, that's gentle yoga. However, gentle yoga doesn't necessarily mean easy yoga. It doesn't necessarily mean we're not going to be strengthening. We're not going to be doing anything that's hard or difficult. And quite honestly, I was speaking to someone recently about gentle yoga who's coming back from injury and trauma, and she does not need to work out. She works out to get her cardio just for health reasons, but she doesn't need a practice that pushes her. And she goes, what I'm finding is that with the gentle yoga, I'm almost going deeper. I'm slowing down more and going into the breath. And that's helping her to release a lot of the trauma.